Imagine stepping out in London on a typical July morning and feeling the same heat you'd expect in Marrakesh. Today, July 8, 2026, the European Centre for Medium-Range Weather Forecast shows a strong high-pressure ridge building over southwestern Europe, setting the stage for the continent's warmest day of the year so far. This ridge is already pushing temperatures well above the seasonal average across the Iberian Peninsula and parts of southern France. At 6 o'clock Universal Time Coordinated this morning, the ECMWF deterministic run revealed mean sea level pressure exceeding 1,025 hectopascals over the Azores, with an extension of that high pressure reaching the Iberian Peninsula. At the 500 hectopascals level, geopotential heights are above 5,880 dam, indicating a deep, warm air column subsiding under clear skies. The UK Met Office surface analysis confirms light winds and abundant sunshine from Portugal to the French Riviera, conditions that favor strong surface heating. Yesterday, a shortwave trough moved eastwards across the Mediterranean, weakening as it approached the Algerian coast. Its departure allowed the Azores high to expand westward, strengthening the ridge over southwestern Europe. Ensemble members from the ECMWF show a 500 hectopascals height increase of roughly 120 m over the past 24 hours over Spain, a sign of intensifying subsidence. This rapid ridge building is typical of the early July summer pattern that often precedes the season's peak temperatures. When forecast maximum temperatures exceed region-specific thresholds, National Meteorological Services issue heat warnings. In Spain, EMET has activated yellow alerts for Andalusia and Extremadura, advising the public to avoid strenuous activity during the peak heat hours. In France, Météo France has raised orange vigilance for parts of Occitanie and Nouvelle-Aquitaine, triggering the opening of cooling centers and increased ambulance readiness. Historically, such conditions raise electricity demand for cooling by roughly 10% per degree above the seasonal norm and spike water consumption for irrigation and domestic use. The ECMWF ensemble indicates a 70% probability that the ridge will remain in place for the next 48 hours, keeping 500 HPA heights above 5,880 dam over southern Spain and southern Italy. Consequently, maximum temperatures are forecast to stay above 35 degrees Celsius across much of the Iberian Peninsula, with localized peaks potentially exceeding 38 degrees Celsius in the Guadalquivir Valley and the Plain. Nighttime lows are expected to remain above 20 degrees Celsius, limiting natural relief and prolonging heat stress. The key takeaway is simple: today's strong high-pressure ridge is driving unusually high temperatures across southwestern Europe, and the pattern is likely to persist for the next couple of days. Check your National Meteorological Services website or app for the latest heat warnings, stay hydrated, avoid prolonged exposure during the hottest part of the day, and look out for vulnerable neighbors. By staying informed and taking basic precautions, you can reduce health risks while the heat lingers.